Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Hi.
Yeah, tell the police now. Go ahead. This is my yard. I pay $18,000 in property taxes, okay? I didn't get a letter. AT&T is not a city.
One second. So is it for like fiber optics where we don't need to ask them any permission or anything like that? Okay.
Yes, it's in front of the easement we have.
Oh, the easement. Really?
Okay.
Really?
So you need to do that over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
We gotta do everything.
Okay. How long is it gonna take?
Project, so.
How long is it gonna take?
When AT&T start
A while?
taxes,
Yeah, a while.
since I pay over $8,000, then they can whatever, without even telling me or anything what they're gonna do. No, that's bullshit. I asked him to show me a copy of the permit, and he said no, he's not showing me. What?
I'm trying to speak to you calmly, okay?
Yeah.
What's your issue with them doing their work here?
First of all, after fucking person Lucy Properties Inc. ripped off my house, and I called person,
Listen,
and I called the police department.
We know that has nothing to do with these people. So
Oh yes, it does, because of them, I'm paying $8,000 a year in taxes.
Because of AT&T? No. Exactly.
I don't even have AT&T, I have Xfinity.
Okay.
But the thing is, if they're going to do something in somebody's yard, they need to let them know. They don't just come out here and I see somebody digging up my yard and telling me they have the right to do it. I don't see AT&T helping me pay my taxes. Nobody can. I asked him to show me a copy of the thing so I can call the city.
If you can calm down, he'll show you the copy.
No, I told him to give me a copy, and he said no. He's not giving me a copy.
You can show her a copy. Yeah, but you can show her to her, right?
I need a copy to call the city.
For what, though? The city's already aware of this.
Yeah, so the fucking city is giving out all our stuff and charging us all these taxes when I'm supposed to pay less tax?
Ma'am, the city is not charging you for AT&T's internet.
Oh no, AT&T just paying off the city and charging me $8,000 a year after homestead, right?
Listen, you causing this ruckus is not going to lower these property taxes.
It all began when a cable company worker was carrying out a routine job, when out of nowhere a homeowner confronted him and began making violent threats. But even after officers arrived, she refused to calm down, continuing to escalate the situation and giving officers a hard time.
Okay?
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
So anybody can just come in and dig up my yard and do whatever they want to do?
So if they have a work order, they can come to the easement of the property and do whatever work order they need to do.
Like the easement to you? You know why? You know why the water thing is up there? It's because up here gets flooded all the time and the water meter.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
The easement is out here.
Okay.
Okay? That is my property.
Okay.
I mean, this is my property. I pay taxes for it. However, it's an easement for the government to do city and state stuff, right?
Right.
This is not over there. Okay? And when I asked him, he could at least give me a copy so I could call the city to find out what's going on. But he's a rude little son of a...
Because he has one order and he can let you see it, but he cannot give it to you.
He's a little bitch.
All right.
Because he's sitting there telling me, oh no, I'm laughing. Oh, he's having fun. He's having fun. Do I look like I'm having fun? I need information and he wouldn't give it to me.
We'll do a report for you, okay? Do you have an ID?
ID for what? This is my fucking house. What kind of ID you want? Huh?
For the report, say that I spoke with you.
I didn't talk to you. I talked to her.
Okay.
You want to document that they're working near the water meter in case
No,
something
I
happens,
want to
right?
see the first of all, I want to see the permit from the city and take a little smirk off your face before Trump shoots your ass back to wherever you're from.
Man,
So I can give
listen,
you the
you're not
city.
going to get a copy of the permit. The city's allowed to do what they want to do from the water box up. That's city property. So all they're doing is putting a box in here for future references for AT&T if they need to tap into this box for fiber units for the houses. Okay, so it's technically city property, not your property.
I don't have Oh, really? Is the city paying the $8,000 taxes that they impose on me? Isn't the city the first one to come and try to rip off your house if you don't pay the taxes? They should inform the homeowners what's going on.
I understand you don't have AT&T. What did I explain to you is AT&T are putting these boxes in case you or future residents need AT&T fiber. That is all this is it. They're running fiber along everybody's property, and they're putting boxes on everybody's property to run from the box to the house when they want fiber.
So, then come Verizon. Then come Xfinity. Then come Comcast, which to me is the same, but they all come and put it along the front of your yard without telling you. Okay?
As officers looked deeper, they learned that in the heat of the moment, the homeowner had made a serious threat toward the worker, turning the situation into something far more serious than just a dispute over yard work.
Hello. How are you?
I'm recording, by the way.
I got you, no worries. So I wanted to ask you, so what happened? I haven't spoken with you, I don't know.
You might want to ask him.
Okay.
I walked up after.
I got you.
So he was placing the box, and she came out yelling at him, and I was like, he doesn't speak English, so. And then she started yelling at me, saying that I had to give her a copy of the permit, and I said, can I give her a copy? Because I gotta have one in my car.
Okay.
So if the city passes, they gotta see.
So you have
the
one,
hard copy. Yeah,
but you
I
don't
do.
need to show it to her.
I can show it to her.
You can
got
show
you.
it,
Yeah,
but she wants a copy.
I got you.
I cannot give the copy, the only one that I have, you know.
Yeah.
So.
She can see
And
it.
then
and
I
she
was
can
trying
take
to explain her that we have a right of way, and usually the water meter is where the right of way is.
10-4.
And she's trying to say, yeah, and you're not the water. And you don't work for the city. You gotta let me know. And I said,
And you go there with AT&T?
yeah. And I said, I did place some door tags on every single door. And then she started saying that if we not leave, she's going home to get her gun and start shooting.
Yeah, I was gonna say that, but
Yeah, so
In regards to her saying the gun stuff, what exactly did she say?
She said that she has an axe
threatened
and
him after I got here.
she's gonna bring the axe and
Okay.
chop me in.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you said she threatened to shoot you?
When I walked up, she was just cussing him, and like I didn't even say anything to her
She was just
because she
cussing
was
him?
non-cooperative. And then I actually had a part of the threatening on her own record. She said something in regards to blowing up.
Do you have an ID on you? Do you have an ID on you?
I
you
almost
go
went back
grab
to get my credentials, but I thought that I needed to be here to make sure.
Yeah. Are you guys willing to do a statement form of what happened? Yeah? Just on paper, everything that she told you specifically as detailed as possible? Yeah, alright, just get your IDs and I'll get that, okay?
Alright.
Okay, so you guys got here, you guys were trying to put that
The
box
box, yeah.
in there, and that's when she came outside pretty much asking for a permit. You said you can't give her a copy of it
No,
because
I
you
was
only have
like,
one.
I can show you to, and she was like, no, I want a copy for me. And I said, I gave it to you, but I can show it to you.
What'd she say again about the gun?
I said, boy, you're tough, but don't play with me. I'm gonna go get my gun. Leave right now.
Did she say I'm gonna shoot you, or no? She just said I'm gonna go get my gun.
She said, I'm gonna go get my gun, and if you not leave, you are dead, man.
According to investigators, the homeowner became confrontational, repeatedly demanding permits and insisting the work stop immediately. A witness at the scene backed those claims, telling officers she was yelling, using aggressive language, and making repeated threats throughout the confrontation.
And that's when we got there?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you write as detailed as possible everything that happened before we got here? You could finish it here, okay?
Alright.
I'll be right back. Give me a second. Hello. You got it at work by chance?
Actually, it did. I don't know. Something was wrong. Like there's something off as far as the.
No worries. Do you have a pen by chance? I just gave her my pen.
She said she wants to put bombs in there and blow all this up and. Oh, you guys, I can't. He said, no, you can't. And she said, you don't tell me what to do. I'm like, oh my god.
I got you. Okay.
So I was like, oh my gosh, here she goes. So I was.
But you were there kind of after the fact once he had already called 911.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you willing to do a statement for him? Okay. Here you go. Here's your pen. Thank you.
Oh, what are you doing?
Relax and let go.
No, let me.
You're gonna be brought to the ground in a second if you don't
No,
stop.
I gotta go.
Put your hands behind
I gotta
your
go
back.
get something in the house.
Put your hands behind your
Come
back.
in.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let you lock it up and everything.
Put your hands behind your back.
Don't give me my phone.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey, it's going with you.
No,
going
but
with
I
you.
gotta do something in
You're
here.
gonna be
You're
brought to
gonna
the
go
ground
to
in
the
a second, or you're gonna be tased.
Excuse me?
Thank you.
You're hurting my wrist.
Well, we told you to be calm. You didn't want to be calm.
No, but you're hurting my wrist. I
Okay.
told you I need to go into the house to do something because
Right,
there's
you
stuff.
can't do that obviously now.
The doors.
We locked them. Okay. You have your keys on you?
No.
Where's your keys?
Here inside. That's what I keep telling you.
Where
To come
in-
inside the house.
Where inside your house?
Why don't you?
We'll walk you to the door and that's it. We're not walking inside
to
the house.
front, so no,
Yes.
because that house is. You'll see what I'm talking about.
You're not going inside the house. You're gonna walk to the door and that's it.
if somebody's gonna hold me. You see, you gotta go in. The house is not in order.
Where's your keys?
The house is not in order.
I don't care about the house. Where's the keys?
Go to the left.
In here?
No, go down further to the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah, put the yeah, because it's.
Alright, to the
If
car.
you could stick it in the thing.
Alright, yeah. Just go to the car.
Just 1 second, and you tell my keys.
Alright, it's on body camera and it's gonna go with you. Just go.
Keep walking. Do you have anything that can harm me in any way? Anything illegal, sharp? Take a seat.
What's that?
It's a seatbelt.
Sit down.
Later, officers arrested Charmaine, 65, and charged her with simple assault, threatening violence, and resisting arrest without violence. Authorities say the situation began when a worker arrived to install fiber optic equipment, but was met with hostility and repeated threats. Investigators say multiple statements from the victim and a witness confirmed the escalation, with threats involving weapons prompting the call to police. She was taken into custody and booked into the St. Lucie County Jail, where she is being held on a $750 bond as the case moves forward. Situations like this highlight how quickly disputes can spiral. Share your thoughts and stay tuned for more case breakdowns.